Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Data. So the cryptocurrency market's been pretty rocky lately. Hasn't really went one way or the other. We've basically stayed in about a $400 to $500 range. You see Bitcoin here is down 0.47% to $6,559. Ethereum's down 1.5% to $221. Ripple keeps falling down 2.84% down to just above 52 cents. And the rest of the coins are about the same. Now, if you look at Bitcoin here, you can see that again, we had that decline down to a low of about $6,394, and that was just 2 days ago. And from that low, you can see on the TD sequential chart, there is a red 8, which on the red 8 or 9, then that means the next candle is strongly a reversal candle. And you can see after that red 8, then we were closing on a 9, but it didn't quite make it. And then we reversed soon after. So you can see here, we reversed to a high of about $6,620. And on this 4-hour chart, that's right about where the 200-day moving average was. And you can see that's been providing some resistance this past day. Now, this 4-hour candle here, it went to a high of 6,600 until which it stopped. And you can see right now it's about $6,541. Now, the RSI is looking a tad overbought, but I want to go ahead and point out the 12-hour chart. And you can see here that this 128-day moving average has provided resistance the whole time. For the past 2 weeks, it's provided resistance for Bitcoin. And you can see here, it touched it right there at about 6,600. And it could not break that. So I think this is the short-term resistance that we're looking at here. For the TD sequential and 12-hour, not really much going on here. Not like it was in the 4-hour. But again, if you look at the 4-hour, then it is on a green 9, which means a reversal is imminent. So we could very likely turn to the downside and maybe even fall as low as about 62.30, test this previous resistance or some resistance or this support, sorry. Or we could test this support right here of about 6,400 where it bounced from last time. So again, we're gonna have to keep an eye on that. Anything that happened in this market, as you know, that apex triangle is getting closer. If you zoom out here, you can see that it is getting closer to breaking out one way or the other. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. If we can break 6,700, possibly 6,800, which is a 128-day moving average on the daily chart, then we could be looking at some bullish momentum. So just something we're going to have to keep in mind as we move forward. Now, some news I want to talk about today is TD Ameritrade actually getting into the cryptocurrency business. Now, they've already been in it with dealing with futures, giving futures products to their clients for Bitcoin, but now they're actually investing in exchanges. So it says, stock brokerage TD Ameritrade bets on a new cryptocurrency exchange. And they announced their investment in an exchange called ErisX, which offers both Bitcoin spot and futures trading. So basically, it's like you can buy Bitcoin spot price, or you can participate in futures trading. And if you scroll down here, it says, despite a massive slump in cryptocurrency prices, TD Ameritrade is doubling down on the sector. The U.S. brokerage firm announced a strategic investment Wednesday in an exchange called ErisX, which offers both Bitcoin and spot futures trading. High-speed trading company Virtue Financial will also back the exchange. And quote, says, we continue to see our retail clients seeking access to trade digital currency products. JB McKenzie, who's the managing director of futures and foreign exchange for TD Ameritrade, says we want to find a platform that would be fully regulated and something that has that capital markets feel. So as you know, TD Ameritrade, I mean, they deal with over $1 trillion, and they have a ton of liquidity in their website and in their financial products they deal with, that it's amazing to see them really doubling down on the cryptocurrency sector. And right now, I did mention that they are participating in futures products for Bitcoin. It says the brokerage firm executes an average of 780,000 trades per day, a quarter of which are placed using mobile devices. So with them getting into ErisX, ErisX supports spot trading just like Coinbase does, but also it supports futures trading. So TD Ameritrade basically wants to get in on any exchanges that are trying to push the boundary of exposure for their clients. And I think that's very good. I mean, you can just see that, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, all these financial companies are looking to get exposure for their clients because they're saying that their clients want to get in this space. And they even mentioned here that a lot of their clients wanted access to trade digital currency products. So that tells you that there is a lot of demand for cryptocurrencies. You know, don't let this slump fool you. I mean, there's a ton of demand, and I think we'll see a bull run very, very soon. We may have one last breakdown before we do, but again, I do see that there's some positivity in the markets. And as you know, towards the end of the year, there is some bullish action. So we'll have to see if history repeats itself or if we continue in this sideways movement until 2019. So with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Till next time, thanks for watching.